You don't want your tillage tools to wind up on a scrap pile because they couldn't adapt to conservation trends or just couldn't live up to the pressure of day-to-day work behind bigger and bigger tractors. This program will help make your equipment shopping end on a happier note by demonstrating tillage tools that feature 3 key benefits: easy maintenance, rugged components, and most importantly, implements that'll grow with your operation. These benefits are found in White Farm's 420 series chisel plow and the 435 disc chisel. You can be sure they'll be hard at work for years to come. White Farm combines the best new technology with long-time reliability to bring you 2 conservation tillage tools that'll really save soil. In a typical Midwestern cornfield, changing from a moldboard plow to a disc chisel plow can reduce soil erosion by 50 to 60%. And these tools save other precious resources too, like fuel and money, by reducing the number of trips over the field and still getting thorough soil breakup. These 2 by 29-inch shanks suck down into even hard-packed soil, giving you good penetration and better tillage action. Standard spring cushion shanks are bolted to the frame with heat-treated heavy-duty U-bolts. Spacing on each rank is at least 36 inches. And the fore and aft mainframe length is 90 inches, a full 10 inches longer than most others. Compare frames. White Farms is 4 by 6 1/4 inch thick. Most are 4 by 4 by 5/16, like this John Deere frame. In a test that measures vertical loading, the White Farm frame proved to be 56% stronger. And the large frame provides 25% more welding surface. That's added strength for durability to stand the test of time. There are lots of choices for disc chisels, but only one choice, the 435 disc chisel for maximum performance. Watch as it works through this field of heavy corn stalks, burying up to 70% of the surface residue. But look at it work in soybean stubble. A unique White Farm feature lets you hydraulically adjust blades for deep or light penetration. And 22-inch individually mounted disc blades are angled to help incorporate residue. There's better trash clearance, and each blade independently reacts to field obstructions. Chisels are spaced at 12-inch intervals and carry 3-inch reversible twisted shovels. This combination pulls the unit into the ground, giving you good penetration, better than heavier competitive units. Both chisel plows and disc chisels have performance and convenience features that increase productivity. White Farm walking beam axles use larger than average flotation tires and a longer beam to smooth the way. They provide even better depth control. A pole-type hitch provides a strong link, but still allows for tight turning. Chisel plows from White Farm are available from 8 to 56 feet, and each model can accept extensions. And remember, the frame on the 8-foot unit is built from the same material as the 56-foot chisel. There's a good selection of sizes in the disc chisel, too. Select the 8, 10, 12, 14, or 16-foot unit that matches your power and soil type. White Farm chisels and disc chisels, built to stand up to increasingly heavy use by bigger horsepower tractors. Put one to the test.